If you can reach your first $250,000, reaching 1 million becomes much easier. Let me show you the reason.
Most people believe $1 million is the hardest milestone. But the truth is, your first $250,000 changes everything. Here's why.
Why your first $250K matters more than $1 million. Have you ever wondered why so many financial experts say that your first $250,000 is actually more important than your first million? At first that sounds completely backward. After all, $1 million is 4 times more money than $250,000, so how could the smaller number possibly matter more? But here's the surprising truth. The hardest part of building wealth isn't becoming a millionaire. It's reaching the point where your money finally starts working harder than you do. And for many people, that turning point happens around *250,000**. Today, we're going to explore why this milestone changes everything, why it feels impossible at first, and how it creates a financial snowball that can completely transform your future. Let's dive in. Imagine 2 people. The first person has $10,000 invested. The second person has $250,000 invested. Both earn the exact same annual return of 10%. At the end of 1 year, the first person's investments grow by about $1,000. The second person's investments grow by roughly $25,000. Think about that for a second. The second person earns more from their investments in 1 year than many people save over several years of hard work. That's the moment when everything begins to change. When you're starting from zero, every dollar feels like a struggle. You're trying to pay bills. You're saving whatever is left. You're dealing with unexpected expenses. Sometimes it feels like you're climbing a mountain that never ends. Many people quit during this stage because they don't see immediate results. Saving your first $1,000 feels slow. Your first $10,000 feels even slower. Reaching $50,000 can take years. But something interesting happens as your investments continue growing. The power of compound interest starts becoming visible. Instead of earning money only from your paycheck, you're earning money from your money. That's one of the biggest mindset shifts in personal finance. Most people believe wealth is built through massive salaries. But history shows something different. Many millionaires aren't the highest paid people in the room. They're simply the people who consistently invested for a long time. They understood one simple principle. Income creates opportunities. Investments create freedom. You can make a 6-figure salary and still struggle financially if you spend everything. On the other hand, someone earning an average income built $250,000 through discipline and consistent investing, you stop wondering whether your system works. You already have proof. You know that saving consistently pays off. You know that investing regularly works. You know that time is your greatest financial asset. That confidence makes future investing much easier. Instead of chasing the next get-rich-quick opportunity, you trust the process. And ironically, that's often when wealth starts growing even faster. But don't misunderstand this milestone. Reaching $250,000 doesn't mean you should stop saving. In fact, it's exactly the opposite. This is where many people make a costly mistake. They become overconfident. They start spending more. They upgrade their lifestyle too quickly. They assume they're already financially secure. But true wealth comes from consistency. The habits that helped you reach $250,000 are the same habits that can eventually take you to $1 million and beyond. The difference is that from this point on, compound growth begins carrying more of the weight. And that's where the journey becomes truly exciting. Why your first $250K matters more than $1 million. Now here's the part that surprises most people. Many financial experts believe that getting from $250,000 to $1 million often feels easier than getting from $0 to $250,000 How is that possible? The answer is simple. Because by this point, your money has become a powerful teammate. Imagine you have a portfolio worth $250,000 earning an average annual return of 10%. Without adding a single extra dollar, your investments could grow by around $25,000 in a good year. Now compare that to someone who's just starting with $5,000. Even if they earn the exact same return, their investment only grows by about $500. That's the incredible difference that time and compound growth can make. This is why the beginning always feels the hardest. You're doing almost all the work. But eventually, your investments begin doing more and more of the heavy lifting. Think of it like pushing a giant snowball. At first it barely moves. Every push feels exhausting. But as the snowball gets bigger, it starts rolling with much less effort. Wealth works the same way. Your first few years are all about discipline. Saying no to unnecessary spending. Investing consistently. Ignoring short-term market noise. Staying patient even when progress feels invisible. Those habits don't just build money. They build character. And character is often the real reason people become wealthy. But here's where many people go wrong. The moment they see a larger investment account, they start believing they've made it. They buy a more expensive car. They move into a bigger house. They increase their monthly expenses. They stop investing as aggressively as before. This is called lifestyle inflation and it's one of the biggest wealth killers. Remember this. Wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about becoming financially independent. Many millionaires still live below their means. Not because they have to, but because they understand the value of freedom. Every dollar you don't spend today is another dollar that can work for you tomorrow. So how can someone realistically reach their first $250,000? It doesn't require winning the lottery. It doesn't require a perfect salary. It starts with a few simple habits. Spend less than you earn. Invest consistently, even if it's a small amount. Avoid high-interest debt whenever possible. Increase your income by learning valuable skills. And most importantly, give your investments time. Because time is the one advantage that money can't buy back. The earlier you start, the more powerful compounding becomes. Here's something worth remembering. The goal isn't to become rich overnight. The goal is to build a system that keeps making progress year after year. Some years will be amazing. Some years will be disappointing. Markets will rise. Markets will fall. But disciplined investors understand that temporary setbacks are simply part of the journey. They don't panic. They don't chase trends. They stay focused on the long game. Because real wealth isn't created in days or months. It's built over years of consistent action. So if you're still working toward your first $1,000, don't get discouraged. If you're trying to reach your first $10,000, keep going. If you're aiming for $100,000, stay patient. Every financial giant started exactly where you are now. The difference wasn't luck. It was persistence. Remember, your first $250,000 isn't just another number. It's proof that you've developed the habits, discipline, and mindset needed to build lasting wealth. And once you've reached that milestone, the road to $1 million no longer feels impossible. It simply becomes the next chapter of your journey. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a asterisk and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video on investing, personal finance, and building long-term wealth. Subscribe now and let's build financial freedom together, one smart decision at a time.